folks, it's Rob here. We've got Mark with me.
Hi Rob.
Hi sir. And we've got another kit to unbox.
Ooh.
This one is the Tamiya Asterion on the XV-01T chassis. Not sure what the T is for.
Truck, I think, Rob.
Truck. I suppose you could be right, seeing as it's a truck. I believe it's based on the American short course truck racing trucks from memory. And you told me about this kit, didn't you, sir?
I saw it on Time Tunnel Models. I've not seen one before.
On our mate Time Tunnel's website. And I ummed and ahed a bit about ordering it, but then I did some searching and couldn't find it for sale anywhere else here in the UK. So I thought, I'm sure once he's sold these there won't be any more, so I grabbed it while I could.
A good price as well, wasn't it, Rob, for an XV-01?
Yeah. I think it was 205 quid.
Yeah, which is quite a bit less than the one I got, the Lancia one, so yeah.
And after doing a bit more research, I discovered one seller on eBay was selling it, and he was saying that this was just for the Japanese domestic market. So that's why nobody else is selling it. So good on you, is it Neil?
Yeah, I think it's Neil.
Time Tunnel. So good on you, Time Tunnel, for getting this in, and let's see what's in the box.
Time to get it out for half an hour.
Okay dude, we'll put these manuals and stuff to one side, and we'll take a quick look at all the plastic and other bits. I don't think we'll take them out the packaging for the minute. So we've got what looks like gearbox diff housings and things.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, there's a few spaces there, mate.
Just a few spaces there. Oh, never. It's going to be fun making that up.
It's quite an involved build, this one,
yes,
isn't it, compared to a standard entry-level kit.
Yeah.
But this is a pretty sweet kit, actually, isn't it?
It is.
The standard parts.
Quite a big bumper there, though, dude.
You might need that,
compared
mate.
to, I think I might do. And then we've got motor housings. And front and rear, maybe shock tower.
Yep.
Damper stays. And various other bits and bobs, possibly to do with steering. Yeah, great big bag of shocks.
Isn't this supposed to be the long shock kit, Rob?
I'm not sure. I think so, from the size of these wheels that we'll see in a minute.
Yeah.
But
I don't think it's the standard XV-01.
I don't know. They look like mini CVAs,
They do
don't
look small, don't they? Not sure.
Not sure. We'll see when we come to build it. Maybe the piston rods are a bit longer. So that looks like diff gears.
Those are the diff gears, yeah.
And grey lower wishbones.
Oh, that's different to the standard kit.
Yeah. So that's that. And then we've got wheel housings, axle housings, and so on. And then the shock parts. And then these quite big tyres.
That's going to increase the ground clearance, isn't it, mate?
Just a bit.
Are they soft?
Quite soft.
They're like the CC-01 hard things now.
No, not like this CC-01. They are quite soft, I would say.
Oh, can I have a squeeze, sir?
Oh, go on then.
Oh yeah, those are nice and squidgy. Let's hope they give you a bit of grip.
Let's hope so.
They look good for off-road.
And then the main chassis.
Just that carbon reinforced plastic, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
You can see it's got like a metallic effect in it, hasn't it? I don't know if
It
that's
does.
coming across on the camera, but yeah.
Which might be good. The colour I've got. Big metal bags. And just tip them out. says. So, first things first, we've got hard damper oil.
Yep.
2 lots of grease.
Ceramic and moly, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. And the tools and stuff there. With lots of screws and stuff and tiny bearings.
Yeah, fully ball bearing, isn't it?
It is, yeah. And
With
diffs and stuff. And the metal plate for the motor.
Yep.
And stuff for
There's lots
the axles.
Yeah, and there's lots of shims as well, I think, for
Yes.
the gearboxes.
Because they're oil, aren't they? Oil
Filled
filled.
diffs, yeah.
And parts bag D, we've got springs. No, I don't think it is. Like about the standard shock piston rod.
I'll have to compare it to mine and
Yeah.
we'll get back to it. Let the guys know.
Yeah. So maybe it is just the wheels and tyres.
So when you start the build, I'll bring mine round and we can compare the two, can't we?
Yeah.
With stock motor.
Not seen one with a stamp on it though.
No, that's
Not-
weird because my
Yeah.
XV-01 came with a Johnson motor.
I was going to say, this sort of matte
Matte
finish.
yeah.
I've not seen. Perhaps it is different for the
It looks
Japanese domestic market.
It's got a different black
There's
end
something
on
the
it.
back here, on the front here.
Is it?
Johnson.
Oh, it is a Johnson.
Yeah, it's Johnson there.
Yeah.
I've not seen that on the front before either. But I can't tell what that is. Some symbol of some description.
We'll find out.
Yeah. And more gears, or clips, turnbuckles, more bearings. So all that, and some more metal bits. You know I like me metal bits.
They didn't come with my kit, I'm sure. I've not seen those before.
Yeah. Well, be interesting to see what they are.
Yeah.
Some sort of spacer, aren't they?
Yeah.
And blooming big ones, isn't that?
Or some mounts for something.
Yeah. And then we've got the body, which will need cutting out quite a lot. I wonder why there's a line there. Oops.
Strange.
Yeah,
Maybe it's two options.
maybe. Again, see once we get to cutting it all out. Some more plastic bits. Again, some of these look like carbon reinforced plastic.
Yep.
I don't remember seeing that
Not in my
on
kit.
yours.
No.
Wonder if that's used then.
God knows.
We will find out. And then this will be the belt cover.
Yep.
And the electronic housings and the inner wings,
Yep. They call them wheel fenders.
or fenders
Yeah.
as the Americans call them.
That's it.
Okay. And then some metal plated wheels.
They're the same that come on my Land Freeder.
Right.
Yeah. Good old Tamiya reusing
Yes,
parts.
that's it. And wibbly wobbly.
Yeah, Pete.
And we missed this. The belt for the front to rear transmission of power. It's
Yep.
belt driven 4-wheel drive. The XV-01. And then the decals. Quite nice looking.
Yeah, they're nice metallic, aren't they?
Yeah. And we get window masks just the two. So that's all that's in the box. If we come back to the body worksheet, it stipulates 3 colours: black, gunmetal and flat clear. And the flat clear goes on this black here.
To make it like a matte finish.
Yeah, but as it shows you here, you have to peel the film off, then mask up the outside.
No thanks.
Now, and then spray the matte clear on the outside. But as I couldn't find out what the right colours were to use, I've decided to go for metallic black for this particular one.
Is that an Absima one?
It is Absima.
Oh, I used that on my wild one. It's a nice finish, that is. Nice little metallic job there.
Yeah. So we've got the paint, and I've gone for Tamiya TGY AN13 servo. And my standard TBLE 02 for my speed controller. And I did manage to get some eventually Tamiya GT5 receivers for my 2.4 gig transmitter. So we'll stick that in and give that a try. Hopefully it won't blow any up this time like I did last time. And that's about it, isn't it, dude?
Yeah, we can have a quick flick in the manual if you want.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's a standard Tamiya manual. So you've got all your parts listing, do's and don'ts, and this is something you don't get with a lot of the manuals. This is so you can make a note of your setup.
I think it's because a lot of the more basic kits you don't get the setup options, do you? That you get
don't know, but we don't get these adjustable shocks.
No.
So they're assuming you've already bought their adjustable
hop-ups.
Hop-ups, that's the word to use, dude. But yeah, you can make a note of where you put all your shock mounts and various different bits and bobs, and your toe-ins and your cambers. So that's that. There's adjusting or maintenance of the belt, and then adjusting it to fit for some reason is here. I don't think it goes into how to adjust it, does it, and when you're putting it together from memory, but
I'm not sure, Rob. No.
I can't remember myself, but I think you do have to go to this bit to get the setup. And then it's just going through how you put it all together. Oh, there was a note. Oh no, that's just telling you not to spray stuff or not to bend it.
You just keep the belt dry, don't you? It doesn't need any lubrication.
No. So there we go. Does it start at step 1 properly? Can't get the page open. Oh yes, we have a proper step 1. Hooray! No putting the battery on charge. So there we go.
Gonna have a few fun hours building this one, Rob, I think.
I think so, sir. Quite a few hours, I think, from your experience.
Yeah, it's quite a tricky build, but yeah, it's good fun all the same.
Right, so with that, I hope you've enjoyed watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
See ya.